Hi, Bob Freeman here with MarineMax in Naples, Florida. I'm here today to talk to you about the Sea Ray 2022 310 SLX. What a beautiful boat this is. The SLX series is a very sporty boat. It's in the beautiful blue color, new color that just came out. It's fast boat, looks great. Let's hop on board and see the rest. Here we are on board the 310 SLX. Let's start at the back of the boat. It's the new Mercuries, twin 300s. A ton of horsepower for this boat. Really fast, really good hole shot, very quiet, very little vibration, just incredible motors. Side the back of the boat, we've got the sea deck throughout. We've got a swim platform that actually folds down and you can swim up on it to get on and off the boat from the water. So very convenient way to get on the boat versus using a ladder. And then this is where, when we had inboard outboards, this is where the motor used to be. So now we've got this gigantic storage. You can fit chairs and beach toys and you name it, tubes and this and that. You can fill it right up with plenty of room. And then it's also a sun pad, so it's flat, or it raises up for a comfortable seat in the back as well. So really nice setup in the back. And as I move into the boat, into the cockpit area, this is set up wonderfully for entertainment. So nice L-shaped seating, very comfortable. You've got a same shape, triangular shaped table that fits right in here nicely. And then this seat here will actually spin around. So when you're not going, you've got a full 360 for entertainment wise. So you can put 10 adults in here very comfortably. You've got a refrigerator with a nice ice box in there that can fit like a 5-pound bag of ice in there. You've just got all prep area in here. You've got to keep all your stuff you want to keep dry, so it's nice. You got a sink. And then you've got the sunroof, which folds all the way out. So if you want the sun, you want the air, this will fold all the way back. And we also have the Sure Shade that will come all the way out to here. So plenty of shade. So really nice features as far as if you want the sun or if you don't want the sun. It does both very well. Okay, so we'll just do this side here. Okay, while we're on the port side, let's take a look at the head. Real large head. So you've got a window in there, so you get extra daylight. You've got a nice sink, but sea deck on the bottom. You get the vacuum flush head, so very roomy, not claustrophobic at all. Helm seat, which I like a lot, and this is set up with a really nice twin recessed Simrads. So you can have, and this screen here actually runs most of the stuff on the boat, so you can control your lights and this and that, everything right from here. This is all your mechanical information right here as well. So really clean, really nice setup. You've got the auto trim here. You've got the digital throttle and shift, VHF, and then you got the joystick. I'll tell you, complete control of this boat. I don't care if it's windy or if it's current or whatever. I can go sideways. I can put it in any slip anytime. Also has the sky hook. Great for waiting for a slip assignment or lock you into place. I use it a lot for sunset. I point it at the sunset at the end of the day. You can sit out front. You don't even, the motors are so quiet you don't even hear them. Have a nice glass of wine, watch the sunset. When you're done, just take the sky hook off you go. It's great. And also the auto heading. It's a really nice autopilot feature. That's a point and shoot. You just point it in the direction you want to go and it takes you there. So no putting in waypoints and that kind of stuff. It's pretty simple. So really nice features. Let's move forward. So very large bow area. You got 2 comfortable seats up here. You've got a filler cushion, so if you don't want a sun, you can just have this tucked down inside, and then the filler cushion will come in and tuck right in here. So it makes one big sun pad in the front. So really nice. And then you've got the windlass up at the front, little shower up there if people want to rinse off. You've got that right there as well. So really tons of features on a 31-foot boat. Rides great. So if you'd like to come see it, my name is Bob Freeman. Give me a call at 603-213-1194.